Real love does not just feel, it acts, it risks, it stands when silence would be safer. Sa atin pong unang pagbasa ngayon, narinig natin si Esther, isang babaeng Hudyo na naging reyna ng Persia matapos siya ay ikasal sa haring si Xerxes. Pero hindi niya po lantarang inihayag ang kanyang pagiging Hudyo. Hanggang sa dumating po ang araw na may banta sa buhay ng mga Hudyo mula sa kanilang mananakop na mga Persians. She begged God for the courage to face her husband. She wanted to tell him the truth of who she really is and ask him to spare her people. At bago po siya humarap sa hari na kanyang asawa, she prayed from morning until night, lying on the ground in anguish, begging God. Nagdasal siya at ang kanyang dasal ay dininig ng Diyos. At ito rin po ang mensahe ng ating Panginoong Hesus sa ating Ebanghelyo ngayon. Ang magdasal at manalig ng lubusan sa Diyos. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you. For everyone who asks receives, and the one who seeks finds, and to the one who knocks the door will be opened.